Hi, good evening to everyone. We are from Group G. I am member number 1.
I am member number 2.
I am member 3.
And I am member number 4.
Today, we would like to present our project. The scope is UMK Jeli Campus Library. This library is comfortable for students to study and doing their tasks at study area. Hi, my name is Nuraisyah Balqis from Ismail with matric number F2280194. My problem for number 1 is the UMK Jeli Campus Library has a circular reading area with radius of 8 meters. A student is sitting at a point on the circumference and wants to walk towards the center. At what rate is meters from the center? So the solution is, let's denote the distance between the student and the center as d and the distance as the circumference as x. We can use the Pythagorean theorem to relate d and x. You can read from here the formula equation. Okay, next for the differentiating both sides of the equation with respect to time. Since we want the rate of change, we get this one, and we are given that d equals to 5 meters and x equals to 8 meters. To find dt over dt, we substitute these values. You can see from here. Okay, now we need to find dx over dt. Since the student is walking towards the center, dx over dt is negative. Suppose dx over dt equals to negative 2 meters per second. dd over dt equals to this meter per second. Therefore, when the student is 5 meters from the center, the distance between the student and the center is changing at a rate of 3.2 meters per second. That's all for me. Now, I'm passing it to the member number 2.
Hi everyone, my name is Binti. My number matric is F2280082, member 2 from Group G. My problem is UMK Jeli Campus Library has a bookshelf with a collections of books. Numbers of books on the shelves at a given time in days is modeled by the functions nt equals to 1000 exponential power negative 0.05t. Now we want to find the rate at which the number of books is changing after 7 days. So here is the solutions. Step 1. We need to find the rate at which the number of books is changing. We need to differentiate the functions nt with respect to the time, means t. So here is the answer. Now we continue to step 2. In step 2, we need to differentiate exponential power negative 0.05t with respect to t by using change. Now we continue to the last step, which is step 3. So we need to substitute t equal to 7 into the derivative. So therefore, after 7 days, the rate at which the number of books on the shelves is changing approximately negative 35.234 books per day. So that's all for my problem.
Hi everyone, my name is DHARSINTHIRAN, member 3 from Group G. My problem is the UMK Jeli Campus Library as a rectangle study table with dimension 2 meters by 1 meter. The student spills water on the table, causing a circular puddle to form. The area of the puddle increases at a rate of 0.3 square meters per minute. How fast is the radius of the puddle increasing when the area is 4 pi square meters? To solve this problem, we use the relationship between the area of the puddle A and the radius of the puddle R, which is given by the formula A pi R2. We are given that the area of the puddle A is increasing at the rate of 0.3 square meters per minute. We need to find how fast the radius of the puddle R is increasing when the area is 4 pi square meters. Let's start by differentiating the equation A pi R2 with respect time t dA divided by dt equal to d divided by dt pi R2. Using the chain rule, we get dA dt equal to d pi r dr divided by dt. Since we are interested in finding the rate at which the radius r is increasing, we rearrange the equation to solve for dr divided by dt. dr divided by dt equal to dA divided by dt over 2 pi r. Now let's substitute the given values a equal to 4 pi and dA divided by dt equal to 0.3 into the equation to find dr over dt. dr over dt equal to 0.3 over 2 pi r. At the area A equal to 4 pi square meters, we can calculate the corresponding radius r using the formula A pi r to 4 pi r 2. Simplifying, we find r2 equal to 4, r equal to 2. Now substitute r2 equal to into the equation for dr over dt. dr over dt equal to 0.3 divided by 2 pi x by 2 and dr divided by dt equal to 0.3 divided by 4 pi. dr divided by dt equal to 0.075 over pi. Therefore, when the area of the puddle is 4 pi square meters, the radius of the puddle is increasing at a rate of 0.075 over pi meters per minute. Now I pass to the next member.
Hi everyone, my name is SITI WARDINA Binti and my matrix number is F22A0180. I'm member 4 from group G. My problem is at the UMK Jeli campus library, there is a bookshelf containing a collection of mathematics books. The height of the books on the shelf can be modeled by the function this, where x represent the horizontal distance along the bookshelf in meter and hx represent the height of the books in meters. For the question 1 is determine the rate at which the height of the books is changing with respect to the horizontal distance when x equal to 2. B. Find the value of x that correspond to the maximum height of the books on the shelf. The last question is calculate the maximum height of the books. Now our final step is to determine the rate at which the height of the books is changing with respect to the horizontal distance, which is this. This can be done by substituting the value of x equal to 2, which is this. B. Find the value of x that correspond to the maximum height of the books on the shelf, which is this. Now our final step is to calculate the actual maximum height. This can be done by substituting the value of x we obtained earlier into the original function, which is this. To simplify the calculation, we start with this and we get this. Next we multiply it by 3. The result we can get 12 over 9, or we can simplify it 4 over 3. Now moving on to the second term, which is this. We multiply it negative 4 by 2, which give us negative 8. Then we divide it by 3. The result we can get negative 8 over 3. The final step is we add up the three terms, which is 4/3 minus 8/3 plus 2. We subtracting the numerators give us negative 4/3 plus 2, which is if we simplify that number, it become 2/3. Therefore, we find that the maximum height of the books on the mathematics bookshelves at the UMK Jeli campus library is 2/3 meters. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is DHARSINTHIRAN, member 3 from Group G. My problem is the UMK Jeli campus library has a rectangle study table with dimension 2 meter by 1 meter. Ada 2 meter.
Kena stop ke? Buka yang baru punya kan?
Okay, lagi sekali.
Hi everyone, my name is DHARSINTHIRAN, member 3 from Group G. Apa? Saya try.
1, 2, 3, tarik.
Hi everyone, my name is DHARSINTHIRAN. Nak tarik.
Tarik. 1, 2, 3, tarik.
Hi everyone, my name is DHARSINTHIRAN, member 3. Apa?
Baca. Belum lagi, sabar.
Hai.
1. Okay. Cuba tadi tangan. 1.
Boleh.
Lagi sekali.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone, my name is DHARSINTHIRAN, member 3 from Group G.
2, 3. Now I'm passing the apa dia punya? Now I'm
Kena adjust lagi.
1, 2, 3. Lagi sekali.
Everyone, my name is WARDINA Binti ROZHAN. My message number is F801.